What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use mask in Clipchamp. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Clipchamp. After typing, you will see this first official link of Clipchamp. Click on this link, and after clicking on this link you will be redirected to this page of Clipchamp. So if you want to sign in with your email and password, you can sign in and then you will create an account on Clipchamp. But if you want to directly start it for free, just click on try for free and then you will be redirected to the home page of Microsoft Clipchamp. So now from here you can see the option of create a new video. Click on this. So as you can see here, I have imported my media by clicking on import media and then browse my files from my desktop. I'll just simply drag and drop it here in the timeline, and after that I will drag and drop this image here in my timeline. So as you can see, my image has been masked on this video. So this is how you can use your mask in Clipchamp. And after that, when you select this image, you can even adjust its size from here like this, and you can adjust it yourself. And this is how it is done to use mask in Clipchamp. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.